Hello, everybody.
Talking, I'm looking, I'm saying the words.
We're
Welcome
recording,
back
Tyler.
to Ghost.
Oh, we are? I
Yeah,
thought we
this
were
was
doing
not a
test.
well, I mean, it is now, I guess.
This is not a
Great!
drill.
Alright, welcome back, everybody. I'm late
We
to the party
are
like
live.
always.
And here I was planning to make a ghost with the most joke.
I forgot. What were we doing again?
I also forgot that.
Snickety Ginny Snake.
Let's see. Okay, there are side quests
Yeah.
there. Okay,
There's other
here are
things.
the more relevant things. The broken
Who
blacksmith.
broke you?
The Mongolian bastards.
Blood on my
Ooh, I'm gonna go
hands.
play with the Straw Hats.
Yeah! I've been wanting to see that for a while.
Alright, let's go play with some Ronin.
Is Keanu in here?
No, he is not, sadly.
Okay, I know that movie wasn't well received, but I thought it was great.
Oh, it was a fantastic movie.
Such a good movie.
Do you mind if I steal one of your peanut butter cups?
What were you asking?
You. These are yours.
Yeah?
Reese's
You mind? Okay, I'll
Buttercups.
put it back.
Did you just try to slice your horse?
No. I
Oh,
was
I was looking
distracted
away
and
from-
I have not played this in a while, so
Yeah.
buttons are gonna
We
be
were
an
both
issue.
looking away from the screen.
If you can grab mine.
Dear!
I can, if you want
Oh
them.
dear.
Well, no, for you. Well, you just
let's
asked for peanut butter.
Okay.
A couple peanut butter cups. I really shouldn't eat that myself.
I only really need
I think I might make spaghetti when I go home tonight.
see. Spaghetti?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then keep the rest out of my
Any particular reason for that?
Thank you.
strategic candy placement
Well,
is very important.
Just sounds
It
good.
is.
I mean, that's fair.
I have
Yeah.
a bowl of candy on my desk at
A
work.
very good reason to...
And that may not have been the best decision I ever made.
Nope, probably not.
Best decision you ever made is sitting right next to me.
Yes, he is.
See? I can be consensual.
And
think-
everybody in this room has incredibly poor judgment.
I do not think that word means what you think it means.
Yeah, I don't know.
Excuse me.
I told them when we first started playing this game that I was going to be very judgmental about the horses in it because
Yeah,
some of them
show horse
are
and show
excellently
axe.
cared for, and you can tell, and some of them are not.
Yes,
Shut
yes, there was an axe. It was embedded in an axe hole.
Um,
Now quit scratching your axle and get back in the fight.
You got two?
I have 3 cups.
Oh my god. That is the
3 paper things for one
what is
peanut
what
butter
is
cup.
Bender
Very
saying?
total recall of you, dear.
It happens.
3 cups. Ha!
Better than 2 girls in one.
Oh, God.
Ha ha!
Oh, bird.
I have
Bird.
successfully managed to avoid
Bird.
watching that video.
Bird
I'd like
person.
to maintain that streak.
Soon we'll become Phoenix person. Yeah, you've never watched that episode because you don't care much for that show, right?
Which show?
Rick and Morty.
You are correct.
Yeah.
I have forgotten how to do
Floating,
everything.
It's floating right in place,
I have
waiting for you to catch it. Oh,
Yeah.
where'd he go?
I don't know, but I just cut the tips of my fingers off.
So, Jen's gonna have a few seizures.
Yeah, I have forgotten how to do everything.
Yeah, we've been down that. We've all been down that road.
It's been a couple
Like when I
weeks.
forget how to fucking play Dead Space.
That happens between episodes, though. That confuses me.
Oh. Da-na-na-na.
Nice little,
Steal the steel.
what's the word I want? Aqueduct.
Okay.
Ah, yes.
Oh.
Oh, that's where I am.
How very Roman of them.
Yeah.
The aqueduct.
Is there a prize at the end?
Is there an adequate pipe?
There's flour.
Oh.
Oh, nobody got my joke. I'm sad.
Awesome.
It was a good reference, too. It was like a reference to a good movie.
I did, but my mouth was
Bird's
full.
just
Well,
waiting.
I'm
He's
glad
like,
you
come
got
on
it.
already. I'm waiting.
Uncle Dookie. Uncle Dookie.
Not too much.
That's one of those
Leave
movies
them
that I
with
feel like
candles
is
burning this late
underappreciated,
into
Jen.
an invasion.
There's nobody here.
There's a lot of those out there, though.
There are. But Rockadoodle is, like, high
These are
up
the
on my
best
list.
candles I've ever seen. Yankee Candle's got some competition, I think.
Are there crates and barrels, too?
I mean, they would if this wasn't, 700 and some odd years before Yankee Candles.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got peanut butter.
That reminds me of the violin work in The Devil's Carnival. You know what I'm talking about, don't you?
No, I'm drawing a blank on which scene are you referring to?
You
They
should be
use it
used to that
multiple
state of things
times.
by now, Tyler.
Because I know, what was her name? Emily Autumn's in it.
Yeah.
But she doesn't play the violin in it.
No,
So.
But well, I mean, she probably did do the violin work, but no, not on screen. It's just a couple times they will use music just without going into song, and they use that frequently.
Oh, okay.
Just as kind of...
Is it sad that whenever someone mentions memorable violin, the devil playing the violin in that episode of Futurama pops into my head almost every time?
Bender, go
That was
faster.
a fiddle.
I could if you dropped the stupid
Golden
gold violin.
Wouldn't a gold violin weigh hundreds of pounds and sound
What?
crummy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm...
Lost.
Cigars are evil, you won't miss them.
We'll find ways to simulate that smell.
Such a sorry fella.
Dressed up in something like a patella or
No,
whatever.
rolled up and smoked like a penatella, I think. Is what it is.
Patella's a body part. What am I talking about? You're such a pain in the patella.
Patella's a bone.
Yeah. I mean, it's
Yeah,
part of the
body
body.
But he could be much more accurate if he
It's
just
true.
said it was a bone.
It's true.
You expect me to know anatomy?
Tyler's only focused on one kind of bone.
Let's not talk about... Ow.
He is
Me.
male.
Tyler, all we do is talk about you.
Even when I'm not here?
Yeah.
I'm popular! Yay! Oh man, I give so much not a crap about my own life, it's rather stupid. I don't know the right adjective to use for that sort of whatever.
Nope, not that.
You want to finish your sentence there, Tyler? Or you
Gab,
just
give
gonna-
it, I will save it a high. There you go.
Somebody play that backwards. It's like a chant or something.
It's like you just do that and everybody's furniture around the world watching the videos, like their furniture just starts floating up. Just, oh shit!
I used the Konami code on the universe.
Up, up,
like
down, down, left, right, BA start.
Very good.
I always have a hard time if it's A, B, or BA.
Yeah, it's BA.
Flowers.
Aw, you're pretty BA yourself.
Sweet, sweet lies.
The taste. The flavor.
The tuna experience?
The what?
I said the tuna experience.
Oh. The tuna experience. Oh boy.
I think tuna gets a bad rap.
Tuna's good.
When it's prepared right.
Yeah, only when it's prepared right.
Yeah, well, there's
Tuna's
only...
a heck of a lot better in sushi than it is in a can.
Honestly, I actually kind of like
No.
making tuna salad
Save...
sandwiches,
Oh,
but
some enemies.
I spring for the solid
Yeah.
white
Fight attack.
albacore, and I make it
Okay,
really,
they're making
really
the standoffs a little
specifically.
more difficult.
But I get that some
Oh, it
people
gets
just
crazy
don't
later.
like it.
Is
It's
that
not
the
that I
thing?
don't like it.
No.
It just has to
Oh,
be
that
prepared
was.
in a way that it doesn't.
Reek.
Well, it doesn't.
That
just
wasn't.
boring.
It doesn't really matter though,
If
because
it's
it
just
gives you
like
prompt to hit the button
squishy-ish,
regardless.
it's like
Well,
mayonnaise
if you
sauce and
let go of the
on
button
one
too
side.
early,
No.
they hit you.
Oftentimes, I'll put in this really great dill relish that my friend
Die!
When I sent you that can.
Don't worry, my shield has spikes on it.
It is fantastic.
And you know right when I'm attacking, this
Fucker.
random
So
red
we put
lights
cheddar
appear.
relish in, and then we put dill relish too,
Oh,
so that it's
fucking hell.
balanced.
I like, yeah, this is getting,
fantastic.
this is turning into
My
a
mom
great
makes tuna
day.
with
by the way.
Why did they add those fuckers in already?
I have lots of tuna. Even though it's not my
Snakes.
favorite thing.
Why did it
The
have to
only
be
reason
snakes?
I'm okay
Why
with it is
am I-
because she does make it good.
Am I hitting the... I might be hitting the wrong button.
Maybe.
Because this is not gonna... I mean, I'm already fucked for this, but... Ow!
Wow!
Then you got a trophy.
If I could have a moment of your time.
I think
One
I
of the things that
accidentally
I
took
really
a
like to
photo
do
of
is
myself dying.
I'll get some really nice solid white chicken breast.
This
in
is
a
a good
pan,
day, by the way,
and
Mike.
I'll
We're
make
talking
chicken
about the
salad,
game, and
I'll
then we
put
got
in
Liz and
red
Jimmy talking about
grapes
recipes over
and
here.
celery
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah.
salt,
So-
pepper,
We're
So-
funny, and
crunch.
we're,
Apple
we're
slices.
telling people
Yep,
some,
I've done that
some
too.
recipes.
Yeah.
Grapes
And I mean,
Everybody
if you
who
don't
wants
like
to
one
learn how to
conversation,
cook.
you just
Little
listen
bit
to
of
the
a
other.
burst of
Yeah,
crunch.
exactly.
Yep.
They really know how to fill the silence when we're stumped.
Well, would you prefer the sound of silence?
I mean, that is a beautiful song.
Right,
And
look
then
at my
the
speaker and we
naked
can
light
rock
I saw.
rock the sound of silence.
Unfortunately,
people.
copyright laws are a bitch.
Yeah.
10,000 people and their fists.
In the air.
Tens.
Combined them both. Yeah.
10,000 people fisting in the air.
Yeah.
Honestly, that was one of my favorite parts of the movie Trolls, though, was when Anna Kendrick was singing The Sound of Silence. Even if it was a little more the Simon and Garfunkel?
Yes.
Simon and Garfunkel version than it was the,
Oh, it was definitely the Simon and Garfunkel version.
Well, here's the thing,
Don't-
though. The Simon
don't
and
jump that.
Garfunkel version is great.
Yeah, it's
I
definitely not a bad
Yeah.
song.
Now, he did a fantastic job with it,
Hold
don't
on.
get me wrong. But
Yeah.
the original was
Definitely
great, too.
put his own
Parkour.
spin on it. It made it
Yeah.
a little bit darker, in
Well,
my
and I
opinion.
like
But without
how-
going so far into Disturbed that it was just weird.
Yeah.
He found a beautiful balance.
He did, and honestly, that man has a voice, and he's got a voice.
Oh, yeah.
I've seen him in concert, and
Ugh.
fuck, he's got
Yeah,
a voice.
I've seen him too.
See,
in
that's
concert,
another
I mean.
man that I would just have him sit in a dark room and talk to me.
Yeah. You want to grab me a drink from in there again?
Sure, anybody else need anything since I'm up?
Nope.
And I don't give a shit what it
Sorry,
is.
we're talking about music. It seems appropriate.
Let's just.
That's fine, yeah.
You're the traveling bard.
I'm fluting.
Are
You
thirsty,
freaking
Margaret?
flutist.
It's a flautist.
Flautist. Flouting your flutillery.
Thank you.
I'm doing better with that move.
You are.
Bird!
Cider.
There you go.
Now watch the look on Michael's face when he
Now,
realizes.
if only you could chase the bird while playing the flute. just adding your own.
Just slowly walking after a bird.
No,
Have
like
you
you're
had that?
making your own chase music.
No, I don't think I have.
It'll taste like juice to you, I'm sure, because it tastes a little bit like juice to me.
Get juicy.
Yeah, those are good.
Yeah, I
I
like
drink
them.
those.
Ah.
Divine's getting close to me.
I mean,
Oh,
I
I
think
got
we
to
got
play
this
a
at
game
Crooked
that
Barrel.
released a while back over
Well,
my
you go
friend's
there,
house
I'll
the
get a
other
couple
week.
cases
Yeah,
of
what
it,
was
take
that?
it home.
Untitled
If we didn't get it at
Goose
Corporate
Game.
Barrel, we might have gotten it raised.
Okay.
But we can stop
Yeah,
there just as
I've
easily.
heard of the game, never played it. Got to play it last weekend.
This is one of the few beer-like
okay.
things that I can actually drink and enjoy.
It's not really something
it
I
doesn't
don't
really have
think
much
I'd see as
alcohol content.
playing,
Like I can't.
Yeah.
but it's good for off-camera
I
fun.
can make you actual mixed
Okay.
drinks.
Yeah.
I don't alcohol in either.
We'll have to try one of my daiquiris sometime.
Punch,
Can't
kick,
taste
slice,
the alcohol in
Oh,
choke to death.
3
that. That's because of
spears,
the
you
method I use now. I
dickheads.
don't use ice cubes. I use frozen strawberries.
And one, no, 2 spears and a halberd.
Yeah.
Not a
Bastard.
halberd. It's a naginata.
That's not a naginata. Naginata, dude.
And
It's
I'm
not a
hungry.
naginata.
Thank you for watching us
No,
this
he's over
far.
here with Guinness. So.
Obviously,
Oh, is he?
Mike and
No,
Dale.
actually.
No, is that the tiger ale?
Yes, that's tiger ale.
Oh, he had Guinness earlier.
I did, yes.
I'm having an angry orchard.
Naka
I
naka.
figured that, dear, as soon as you said something about me being surprised, and then you popped that.
Are you
I
not?
assumed it was quite surprising. Yes.
Were you bamboozled?
Jesus Christ on a cracker.
Baron, grin and bear it.
Oh, sad day.
We do have a few more.
Oh
of these
my
in the
God.
fridge if you want one
Okay.
later.
I've gotten better at that move.
I will probably take you up on that later.
I also have some pre-made Moscow mules
So
that I
you-
haven't tried yet.
Yeah. Fishnet. Make it into a stocking. Wear it.
Oh yeah,
As long as you wear it
the
correctly.
fishnet samurai.
Oh yeah. Distract the enemies.
Remember,
They'll
Tyler,
definitely be
They-
looking.
they
it
march
goes on
on-
your legs, not on your face.
They march onto the battlefield.
Yeah.
Too much sax.
him great power.
Oh, just enough.
Disastrous should it fall
This game's
into
rated
the
M.
wrong
There's plenty of
I
violins.
can't let that happen. I'd like to hear more of the story.
Oh,
Is there sax?
The musician Yamato.
I don't know, does he-
I just ran into
He
another
told me that
legendary.
Oh.
near the river that separates it from
Nice sound effect there, Tyler.
Oh.
Okay, cats. Sorry. Just have to shift.
Okay.
You see, she just literally rides it out and twitches her paw.
Oh shit!
Well,
right
I'm
there.
moving this leg more than that
Tyler,
one,
don't
too.
inhale.
Gotta swallow.
I told you not to try to deep throat it.
No, Liz caught me right at the worst moment.
I usually do.
Poor Hatsu.
Stay out of my
She'll
bathroom.
likely starve soon.
Who are you speaking?
Oh God, sorry
On
everybody.
the outskirts
Whose house
of
are we in
Tsutsu.
again?
She lives alone and
I don't know.
means of securing.
Some very sad woman.
It's
Yeah.
our house.
In the middle of the street.
No, thank God. We have have enough problems with people. I don't need to be in the middle of the street trying to take a shower.
What? I've kind of lost the plot of what I'm doing.
You are travel to the
So
coast
it's
by the
par for the
Kishi
course?
grasslands.
Oh yeah,
See there, it's up in the corner of the screen.
you are correct.
Wait,
Well, I
it'd
can
be
help you out.
easy if Mike could see.
It would, but
can
that
see
would
it.
also make the game just too easy.
Man, that soda went down the wrong pipe.
They were made for people who have eyes that see, though.
Toyota,
Well,
superhero jump.
that
You
just
need to take a minute
adds
and
the
go like
challenge.
purge or something, T.
No, I'll be just gotta ride it out.
Well, you should be used to that. Fake laugh, hiding real pain.
The Kishi grasslands. Straw Hat mercenaries were seen in area.
Oh, Sakura's dreaming.
Mongol convoy.
Her
And
paws are twitching every so
what
often.
are the Straw Hats doing?
She's been doing that.
No. Who else could it be?
It could be all the samurai on the island. Oh
There
wait,
had to be more than one Mongol.
Too many Clydesdales and Belgians in here.
What? Blood on the grass. Can you wear that hat? Or already are?
I can wear a hat.
Cool.
Looks like more bodies up ahead.
You wear a hat like that, I'm gonna call you Raiden.
Dead bodies
You'll call one of the cats if you start doing that.
I am going to kill you.
I will eat your heart.
Come play with us, Tyler. Forever and ever and ever.
I need to watch those movies again.
You can check out, but you can never
Trying to get
leave.
away from these tankers.
Oh, hello. Just take care of the
Just have to
straddle.
make sure we go in 1968.
Oh, my lord.
So did you look at that
What?
book?
No,
Ooh,
not really. In the,
cinematic.
it was one of those things
Oh,
I got
a hat.
distracted.
That's okay. Let me see if I can find something.
Put it down, damn it!
So the recipes in this
You
are
can't kill
actually
him.
interesting.
He
It's
has my
something that I
hat.
would like to try.
Yeah.
But it's the introductions to these that are really.
Yuzo.
I'm just gonna read one line from
Call
this.
him Ryu for short.
And
Where's
this
Ken?
is a revisit of 50 Shades of Chicken for anyone asking.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's been a while since we've heard this.
He takes a tangerine and eases it
mercenary
slowly,
now.
slowly
Personal
into my
warrior.
orifice until it's buried
Maybe
in
you can
me.
help me.
Oh, the fullness.
I'm looking for your leader. Komoda Beach. You were there too.
He ties my ankles
Lost a
together
lot of
tightly.
friends.
The twine is tight,
We all
but
did.
not so that it bites into my skin.
And we can avenge them.
Ooh.
If we work
And
together.
this is all from the perspective of a chicken carcass.
Help me save Lord Shimura.
A masochistic chicken, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's the best it can find.
He's alive.
You gotta enjoy while you're playing.
I love the last line of this.
Straw Hats are hurt.
Let's see. My body is responding. Now.
I can't act.
All it takes is one quick thrust of the meat thermometer, and I become all flesh
Even
and
if you can name
sensation.
your price.
My gushing juices running utterly clear.
Once we free our home, Lord Shimura will pay you.
Oh, well, this sounds like a really
Anything
good
you
meal.
want.
I think I should make it
It's
one day.
roasted chicken with tangerine and sage. It does actually sound kind of tasty.
Right?
It certainly sounds
My men
juicy.
light.
Oh, and then there's the pictures. Hold on.
Your
Oh,
men.
yeah, the pictures.
No, here,
Look out for them.
I'll just use my.
Someone has to.
That was a dead... Did you see that stare?
Sexy man.
Someone
dressing
has
a
to.
chicken.
Tyler.
Yes.
Sexy man.
Oh, yeah.
dressing a
Gotta
chicken.
get the man abs in there.
Oh yeah. In nothing but the apron.
It's the best way to cook.
What kind of sword does that guy have?
Here we go. Here's the title for this.
It
What?
looks vaguely like a Chinese
Hot
down.
rubbed hen.
Cool.
Kill them all!
It's gotten hot.
I'll tell you something, everybody. I'm from Buenos Aires, and I say kill them all! That's a film franchise that I really want to see be
What are
done.
these titles?
Boom, bitch.
Mustard spanked chicken.
You spank them with mushrooms?
Mustard.
Oh, I thought you said mushrooms.
I'm very, very
Don't let them surround us!
fond of mustard chicken.
Storm.
Oh shit.
Cream
That's
slick
a lot of
chick.
shields.
That is a lot of shields. Which stance do you need for that?
This one.
Okay.
That actually does sound good.
Oh, he's a problem.
Crisp baked chicken with honey mustard and
But I got a solution for him
Simultaneous,
too.
simultaneous desperation cry.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Die, you fuck!
chicken
Thank you.
fricassee with prosciutto, tomatoes, and sweet peppers.
Oh, anything with prosciutto.
Oh,
Come on, change your goddamn stance. Thank
Honestly,
you.
there you go.
There's these
Hey,
things we get
dee-day,
at Aldi at Christmas time. It's mozzarella.
One
wrapped
night I was
in
getting
prosciutto,
freaky.
and I can just sit there.
It's my darling Billy Lane.
I
Boy,
can
we
make
had
something-
some fun.
Okay.
And then, I don't know.
I make my own pizzas. I can make a garlic
Meow.
pizza and put prosciutto and fresh spinach.
I've lost track of the story.
Bacon
Yeah.
bits or other little things like that.
Well,
on
not
there.
quite a
And
headshot.
I mean, it knocks you.
Oh, that one has a helmet.
I did
Ting.
cheat and buy the
Shot my
pre-made
helmet.
dough, but the place I buy it from
I just bought
makes
this
it
thing.
daily,
You made me
and it
swallow
comes
my
in a little
gum.
bag, and it's already ready to go. So you just have this little
No one
bun
makes
of-
me swallow my gum.
And you,
and
it's like,
lives.
I mean, it's
Damn it.
homemade every day. So
He
you go
made
get that,
me
and then you just roll
miss.
it out into what you want to make pizza.
I never did.
I just really like some of the recipes in this. They just
Yeah.
sound good. Like white wine
Oh,
steamed
yes,
chicken
please.
breasts with sesame oil and
I mean, he
scallions.
distracted that fucker.
Oh,
Your
well, I
phone
guess
has
you're
He
right.
was fighting that guy. That dude was almost dead when I got
Bacon-bound
here.
wings.
Managed to grow up here.
Very
Those
sexy.
wings.
Put this on your Tinder profile. And,
Okay,
Yeah.
wait. The title of the preface for this recipe
uh-huh.
is Dripping Thighs.
That bad?
That's it? Just dripping
I was out
Yeah,
there.
thighs.
it's roasted chicken thighs with sweet and sour onions, but the title of the preface paragraph is Dripping
Not alone.
Thighs.
That's funny.
Do tell if
Take
you
me to your
if you
camp.
were so inclined.
We'll figure something out on the road. Just
The way his apron hangs from his hips already has me all wobbly. But as he coats my thighs
Weak
with
knees.
sticky liquid, I can hardly
Oh my
contain
God.
myself.
Jesus.
Is it the wine, or is my aroma starting to drive him crazy too?
Why not both?
when was the
He
last
heats
time
me
we
up
saw each
fast, and it won't take much to finish me off now. His
Just a
hips
finger.
quirk up, or his lips quirk up in a smile. My own juices are mixing with the coating and running all over the place. I get the strangest, sweetest, most hedonistic feeling up and down. It's Epicureanism run wild. He spreads my thighs out on a plate, sticky hands, and at least 5 wet napkins. What will the housekeeper think? Who cares?
Yeah.
I could
Fuck
have
the
used
housekeeper.
before that battle.
I mean,
It's my house.
I'll bet.
I'm sure there are some people that would. Oh, here we go. Chicken striptease.
Ooh.
Sticky fingers.
Sticky.
Another
Well,
wagon.
that doesn't sound very.
I have something
sexy.
Thighs spread wide.
Well, now you're talking a language I'll never speak.
Ooh. Roasted chicken thighs with mushrooms.
What's up, buddy?
Chicken thighs stirred
Yes,
up and
my
fried
lord.
hard.
Mongols stole my horse,
Of course
took
they
my
fight
rice.
You're lucky.
Stir
Very
fried chicken with
quality
spinach
rice.
and
Mongols
peanuts.
go.
Jasmine.
To Fort Ohira.
Damn it. Take refuge at the Golden Temple.
hard. He's got fingers.
Warn others to
Golden
keep
Temple.
walk.
Their
Go-
noodles are off the charts, man.
Go get the butter breasts.
My camp's not
Butter breasts.
Okay.
Just give me a stick of butter. I got that covered.
Here we go. Red cheeks.
Red. What?
Red cheeks.
I meant
Oh.
what I said before.
Pound me tender.
Help free Lord Shimura.
Pound me
He'll
true.
grant you anything in his power.
Inner green goddess chicken salad. Although the green
He
goddess
can
on
declare
chicken
the
salad.
Straw
doesn't.
Hats a samurai clan.
I love green
Make you
goddess.
their lord.
Whipped livers. I'll pass on that one.
Yeah.
Blushing parts.
Your name will appear in the Shogun's official records.
Ooh.
You really
Cranberry baked
I
chicken
believe
with
it's
apple
worth
cider.
fighting for.
That's not very sexy sounding.
It can't have been
Ooh, it's
easy
delicious
keeping the Straw
sounding,
Hats
though.
together
Yeah.
after
Oh,
Komoda
God,
Beach.
yes. Right.
How did you do it?
I'd have that instead of a turkey.
nobody
I hate turkey.
Come hither chicken.
That's true.
I used to think so.
Is that spelled how I
Spatchcock
think it is?
chicken.
How many men do you have?
Spatchcock.
by
Erect
but
chicken.
Still enough to call ourselves a small army.
What's next?
That
Chicken and
peasant
tits?
said the Mongols
Spread
stole
eagle
his
chicken.
rice and went to
Spread
Fort
eagle.
Ohira.
I think they're hoarding food there.
Safe word foul.
You have an idea?
Safe word is
Beginning
keep
of
going.
one.
Hog-tied and porked chicken.
That's pretty close
Easy,
to
Shinzo. It's me.
Coquettish croquettes.
coquettish.
Chicken under the covers.
Ooh.
Roast me all night long.
You guys do that to me every time I come over. You just
Ben.
roast the fuck out of me.
Backdoor beer can chicken.
Ryuzo told me you're
So,
So that's
Okay.
a redneck
you
hooker.
didn't find
red
food.
and liquor,
We have a plan.
anal sister.
Flame
Raid
licked
Fort
chick.
Ohira and take back the
Flame
food
licked.
Mongols
Chicken
have stolen
sub.
from our people.
Ha.
Raid a fort?
Mmm.
They'll kill us.
Chicken submarine
Give us a
sandwich
moment.
with mozzarella.
Come.
Sexy sliders. Chicken with hearts and flowers.
We should have
Happy
got your
ending
idea
chicken.
before telling
There you go.
I'm I wanted to give
Happy
people
ending chicken.
that's
Happy
my
ending!
job. I meant no disrespect.
With massage, you get free egg roll. Happy ending!
It's like, no, I'm good, I'm good. No, you get happy ending. It's required by law.
So the first paragraph
You here, Jim.
or the first intro thing in this book is called Plain Vanilla
If you
Chicken.
ride with
Plain
Florence,
vanilla
you have
chicken.
to look
Okay.
Then we
I've
have
got a spare
popped
set
cherry
of
pullet,
I would not have lice. Never letting you forget that,
extra
are
virgin
Spare armor's in
breasts,
the chest.
Are you
chicken
getting
with a
an
lard
armor
on.
upgrade?
I'm getting different armor.
Or just different armor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please
Chicken
don't
with a
stop
lard on.
chicken.
Please don't stop.
Please
You're
don't
not as
stop
handsome
chicken.
as
don't
me,
stop.
but
Jerked around
Stop that.
chicken.
Ooh, jerked chicken.
Yeah, a man
You
can
should
do
check
that,
the
make
force
that meal all by
defenses.
himself.
Look for weak spots.
Spicy fowl.
There's a
My
hat.
men will
I've got a
handle
straw
that.
hat.
Learning to trust you.
Can we have a deal?
It's a shitty hat.
It is a shitty
get us
hat.
that food.
Can we trade hats for
Yeah.
you?
It's a hilariously
away from the
awesome
Mongols.
book.
It sounds
Thank
like
you,
it.
Yuzo.
I'll have to actually
Just
look at it
Remember
later.
who's
Yeah.
in charge of the straw hats.
Well, duh.
I would never dream of replacing you, my friend.
Give us a head start. We'll meet you at the
Alright,
cemetery.
I'll count to 5.
See you there.
Okay, 10.
Fuck you, Ryozo.
10. Take it or leave it.
I'll count to your mom.
You go ahead and count to my mom. She'll make sure you count right.
What if I want to
17?
count left, Tyler?
How about 16 and I drive myself there? Well, you would be required to 14!
We are no longer hiring. Weathered straw hats.
It
may have seen better
days, but it has lived a full life.
Yeah, it may have seen better days.
I can tell that thing has been through
Yeah.
a hurricane. Jesus.
Yeah, it might keep the very center of my bald spot dry. Maybe.
Does anybody know what I did with
But
my
now
hair
I look
tie?
like a straw hat.
That's a cool
No,
hat,
ma'am,
though.
I sure don't.
It might if it were filled in.
Well, the
If I were upstairs, I could just give you a mine, but I don't have any down here.
Yep.
I'm not that fussy
Alley-oop.
about it.
There
I
is
just
one
don't
thing I
remember
really
what
like
did
about
with
this
it.
armor.
What's that?
If you run through mud,
Uh huh.
it actually gets muddy. And if you run through water shortly after,
It cleans it off.
yeah. And it's wet for a while.
Isn't that the best
Realistic
way?
physics.
Isn't it easier if it's wet for a while?
I mean,
To the feet,
I mean, hey, if that's your
You
kid.
gotta-
that's
foot
a
fetish.
job very well done.
plus that's a large.
And that's
Or-
going to
Oh,
require some rehydration. Some rehydrating. Okay, I need to find an armorer.
Oh, okay.
That's,
That's where you gotta. It's a forge.
that's a forge, but that's not where I need to go.
Oh.
It's
an
also-
actual armor, not just a forge.
Yeah. It takes a blacksmith to operate a forge properly.
You mean you can't do it yourself? Get to learn those skills in this game?
Not in
No,
this one,
no, you don't do it yourself. You're a samurai. You have people for that.
I'll blacksmith some things if we play Skyrim.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that's one thing I like about that game. You get to do all sorts of things that are
Mm-hmm.
not normal.
I like that you can
Yeah.
custom enchant your stuff. That's
Yeah.
always really nice.
Yeah, you can make everything and then enchant it.
Difficult.
You can do
Look,
so much with your houses
Jin.
and stuff. It's really cool.
He's got a.
Yeah.
He's
Some
got
of
new.
the mods
headwear.
that they brought out once
very
PlayStation
nice.
started allowing mods
Lord Sakai.
have been pretty
What?
awesome.
Oh, that was Lady Masako.
Masako?
Yeah, or Masako. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Oh, there you are. Oh, I didn't know we could do more of your work.
Yeah,
On all
yeah.
kinds of armor.
You have all kinds? I only want... Well, let's see what this one does.
Oh.
Detection speed reduction, melee damage increase, and
And your
enemies
hat's
will detect
filled
you
in.
much slower. Oh, yeah.
It gets
And
filled
it
in.
gives you a hat that isn't shit. Alright, let's take a look at this, though. Reduce all damage by major amount. Moderate increase to health, and taking damage grants 15% resolve.
Okay.
And I get a helmet.
Yes,
And
if I had a
pauldrons.
gray mare, I'd be willing to
Much better.
Hey,
sell my right
Yeah,
arm for.
I'll do this one.
Oh, you need
Her
more
pedigree is
supplies.
fantastic.
Oh, yeah, look at that
Dude.
mask.
And
she
that
would
giant
cross
Yeah,
so
unibrow.
well
that
on my
huge
stallion,
crescent.
It's not even funny.
I get a croissant.
You need more.
You are a croissant.
What?
I am
Man,
not
you
French.
almost made me drop my croissant.
I am.
This is true. But are you a croissant?
No.
There we go.
The important part is can you
Should we do
French
something
kiss?
with
And the
Masako?
answer to that is yes.
Well, the French do have
Wait, think.
lots
Well, I'm
and
Dennis, and
lots
we put
of
it out the
things that
cafe.
are added to the sexual world.
I asked you a question,
In fact,
fucker.
they've come up with pretty
What was
much
the question?
most of
Should we
the
do
things
something
I
that
mean,
with
hey, the
Moscow?
Marquis de
Should we do
Sade was
requests?
French.
Did you already do your armor thing?
Almost
Yeah.
every single thing
Yeah,
that is
go
not
for
normal
Moscow.
I am
percent,
masked.
not missionary style,
Yeah.
the French came up with.
Probably.
Oh yeah, you still got to rescue
They're
Lady
dirty
and his
bastards.
brother.
But so much fun.
Yep.
My husband used to say, the French will put anything in their mouth.
Yeah, go for Moscow.
Okay.
I mean, yeah.
I mean,
Escargot.
you can
Moscow.
almost say that
I
about
I can put the
Scottish
shitty
with
hat on
haggis.
top of the armor.
No.
Yeah, but like the French have escargot.
I
and,
kinda- I don't really like
snails,
that helmet.
Bugs and things like
Alrighty.
that.
Go
But
for
The
the hat.
no,
Chinese
I'll
gal
leave
that I was
it.
showing you
It
about
goes
earlier,
together.
She actually has
It
a video
completes
where
my
she
ensemble.
makes river
quickly.
snails.
Hey,
Oh yeah, they're
I'm
not
not
the
a
only ones,
two-pump
but I
chump.
just think it's funny.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have news of your family's killers?
It's kind of that attitude. If I can't eat
On
it,
the
I
list
might as
we
well fuck
found,
it.
Sada
Right.
is at the top. He's the head man of Kuta Farmstead.
Oh, we're gonna kill a farmer.
Those people served your clan.
Well, that's just
Why would he
rude.
turn against you?
Because he is
I
an
took
ungrateful
his-
traitor.
Pokemon cards.
My husband
Sold them
appointed
without him
Sada
knowing.
as head man, and he repaid that kindness with
You're a terrible
bloodshed.
person, Tyler.
I learned he fled Kuta the night my family was
But we knew
murdered.
that, so.
Must have heard you survived.
You actually think
Sada
I've done
is a
I would do all the things I
deceitful
say?
snake. But his brother,
Given the right
Hachi,
stimulus, yeah.
is
Oh, I never would.
He just passed by the temple carting
Never.
food for the refugees.
I'm sad you think so little of me, Liz.
Scheduled delivery to his brother.
I don't think much of
And we
anybody.
will be
sweetie.
there to
Okay,
catch you.
well, thanks for clearing that up. Not even your husband?
Depends on whether or not he's got pants on.
Wait, hold on. Okay, we're good.
If his pants aren't on, it's hard to
You'll
think
have to
little
go,
of
or
him.
we will lose you.
After what happened at the inn, I didn't think you'd visit the temple again.
I came
Whoa,
to
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Dao's brother, and mourn Clan adopted
She was
instead.
creating
Have you given
leaves.
your
with
family
her.
Yeah,
a
I saw
proper
that.
funeral?
Just walking on stone and leaves were coming out of nowhere.
After my father died,
Those must be some
Said
deep
goodbye to
fucking
him
cracks
the
in
same
that
night.
stone pathway.
it helped ease my pain.
I bet
How are we doing on time, boys?
that will have to do for now.
It keeps on slipping.
When's the
Slipping.
last time you slept?
Slipping.
Or ate?
I had some
Into the
rice and
future?
fish yesterday.
No, into
The
the past.
youngest warrior needs a full belly and a rested sword arm.
Are you calling me
I
old?
don't think Rory
Lord
likes that very
Sakai?
much.
Grumble, grumble.
Dare.
Everyone's a
Sword arm works
critic.
just fine.
Especially the
It's
dog.
had plenty of practice, though.
We should have caught up to Hachi
He's
by now.
spoiled.
Hachi's
No,
taking a
especially
nap
the
over in the
cats.
grass.
They come by it naturally.
Let's
Bast
search
is
the
pretty
area.
judgmental when it
Can't
comes
be
to
far.
singing. If she doesn't like what you're doing, she'll bite you on the nose.
Now I gotta search for her friend.
Search. He's not a friend.
Oh,
He's not even a frenemy.
Frindle.
Is that like Grundle?
Yeah,
Oh wait, there we go. Search for Hachi.
he's probably hiding in the grass or behind a rock.
Well, she said he's a fool. He's probably trying to stand behind a twig.
Ooh.
Oh, they can't see me.
She got,
I can see you. There you can.
she got booty?
Like that
Pictures,
fucker from.
unfortunately.
Aw,
Really good.
Grandma's boy.
Really good pedigree, though.
nice.
How did he see me?
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
he wants
God
more
damn it.
than
JP.
what she's worth.
That's that fucker's name.
She's a yearling, and he wants 10 grand for her, and she's just not worth that. Even with a good pedigree.
And
Well, I mean,
that's
'cause
you
that
will
young,
be
it's hard to see how they're gonna prove out, isn't it?
Not if you really know what you're doing.
Yeah.
If you know what you're doing looking at confirmation, and you can watch the baby move,
Oh, look at
then
that.
no, not at all. Hey, look, naked man.
Got some of that booty shot.
Got your attention, huh?
There's an
The
ass in my
Yarikawa.
face.
Sorry.
Is that like there's a snake in my
There's
boot?
an ass in my face.
Yeah. Sorry.
Everything he's done.
No problem. Wasn't complaining.
I can't lose my uncle.
Of course you
Won't.
can't. Just put a curly cord on him. Yes, Mike?
No, nothing.
Alright, good.
No, what?
Huh? What? Booty.
Yes, but Asian, so no cock.
That we know of.
I mean, there wasn't any visible in the frame.
But there was a lot of steam.
It was a steamy scene, for sure.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we'll call this an episode. We will finish up. This-
I love that we're
Masako.
ending this on Naked Man.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, who can top that?
You can't.
I know a few
There's
people who'd
nothing
like
better
to
than
try.
Jin's ass.
Anyway,
everybody.
we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, guys.
Bye.